Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the face-to-face relationship when we are working in a project. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, when we talk about face-to-face relation, basically we are talking about that when we are working in a project. So there are basically two types of face-to-face relationship. One is the sequential and the second one is the overlapping. And so now what is sequential face-to-face relationship? That means that a phase can only start once the previous phase is completed. That is called sequential, one by one. For example, that one let's take as an example, once the planning phase will finish, then only we shall start the design phase. Once the design phase will finish, then only the development phase will start. Okay, so this is called the concept of sequential. Like once the previous phase will finish, only then the next phase will start. Okay, so this is the concept of sequential. Then the next one is the overlapping. Overlapping means that a phase can start prior to completion of the previous phase. That means like the previous phase is not finished yet, but we can start the next phase. For example, you have finished the development and then you started the quality assurance phase, and along with the quality assurance you have started the user acceptance testing as well. So this is called as the concept of overlapping, or you can say that the previous phase is not finished but you have still started the next phase. Okay, the overlapping concept is basically called as fast tracking. Fast tracking means that you are working in parallel. Parallel means that, like for example, if task A is working or you are already working on task A, so in parallel you start the task B as well. Okay, so this is called as the concept of fast tracking. Fast tracking means normally it requires more resources. Obviously you are working in parallel, so that means you need more resources, and more resources means that it is costly basically. Secondly, overlapping phase may increase risk and can result in a rework as well. Why? Because see, the level of risk in the sequential manner is less, because see, once you finish the one phase, then only the next phases will start, and whatever the problems are there, once the phase will finish, then you can get the knowledge about the next phase, or you already know about it. So the level of risk is low in the sequential, but the level of risk is very high in the overlapping, because two things or more than two things are working in parallel. And secondly, there is a high chance of rework as well. Rework means that you have finished the things but you know that okay, there is some rework required, you have to do some reworking as well. So level of risk is very high in the overlapping, but the thing is that it is fast track, that you finish the things in fast manner. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.